In this episode we show you the Auxbeam switch box that we have installed in our van. We are Sandra and Jan and love rock climbing, mountain biking and bushcrafting. Our plan is to build an ultimate adventure van for our future travels. If you are new to the channel, why not subscribe and join us on this new chapter. Greetings from the Too Small. We have the lights on top of the roof rack, the light beam in the front, two side lights for the side, and we have the back lights for the rear of the van. I'm planning to use this Auxbeam AC800 switch panel, which will be mounted underneath the driver's seat and the controlling board onto the dashboard somewhere. I'm not an expert, so I need some help. I will unpack it so you can see what is inside this box. Stickers, the manual stickers for the lights. This is the switch box itself. This will come underneath the driver's seat. Then we have the control panel, which will come somewhere on the dashboard with some brackets, metal brackets, cables to connect everything. So this is the remote control, so you can switch 8 lights from a distance of, I think it was 60 meters or something. So you can switch on the lights. Then underneath there's a switch for the battery, for the cable to the battery. And here you have all the connecting cables, some tie wraps, some plastic, all nicely packed. I'm connecting the Auxbeam control panel to the dashboard of the van. I found a place here near to the cigarette lighter and the ashtray. I think that's a good spot. So I drilled some holes underneath the dashboard and in this cover, through which I put the connector towards the battery. I will come on that later, but first the position of the control unit. Connecting the screws. I'm a little bit in my own light, but I'm trying to connect there. Later on there will be an air system over here. That's it. Not bad. Not bad. Here I'm creating brackets to secure the switch box in the fuse box area. The initial electric installation of the Auxbeam switch box was done by Relay Car Electronics, as we are no electric experts. Thanks again, Eric. I could not have done it by myself. The cable of the roof lights are running down via the B pillar into the fuse box. Connecting the main breaker switch underneath the seat. The switch box is in. Here, the Auxbeam. My cable is still a little bit long, but at least I fixed this one. I think it has to go like this. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. That's it. Okay. Now this cable I need to clean up because it has to go behind the B-pillar covering. But okay, made progress. I completed the brackets the switch, the power switch is here. It's on, it's secured. Also the switch box is secured with 2 bolts and some brackets. Now I have to only put the lid on. It's starting to fit. Okay. Under the seat. I started the car again, or the van. It's running now. Now I have to check. Put on the switch. It's on. Look there. You see the display. Let's see if it works. I see some lights. You can see it over there. Okay, Sandra, make it on. Whoa, that's great. Okay, Sandra, put on the side lights. Yep. Okay, I go to the back side. You can do it now, the back lights. Okay, son. Perfect. It's working. So here I have all the stickers for the display unit, the light bar, spots, low beam, high beam, all kind of different functions which we need to stick on onto the display so we know exactly which switch is what. Our technician, that's it. He put on one the front light beam, on the 5th the back light, and on the 6th the side lights. The reason is that the front has a big wattage or voltage, or no, wattage, ampere, whatever. So the front beam has a fuse of 30 amperes and the side and the back lights of 10 amperes. That's the reason we chose 156 in that order, because that was how it was installed from the factory. A little bit decreasing. It's some isopropanol. Closing the fuse box. It still fits. Okay, the switch panel has been installed. It's a AC 800, meaning you have 8 different type of connections that you can make. You can turn it on inside the van with the control panel, but you can also have the remote, which is a nice feature, and it works up to 40 meters or 60 meters. Another fact is you can do this with the app on your mobile phone, which is also possible. That's one for the light beam, front light beam. Number 5 is for the back lights on the roof rack. Number 6 is the side lights. So, and I can turn it off. Here a small impression of the lights in the darkness. If you like our videos, please give us a thumbs up, and if you want to join us, please subscribe to our channel and push the notification bell so you won't miss a video.